Digital delivery is that natural next step that we're going to take as we deliver our projects and look for efficient ways of making them happen.
It is a completely different way of communicating information.
I think it's the most exciting thing you can do at UDOT is to push the envelope and do things that are not standard and not in the norm.
Paperless is, the big push for the department, it seems like, and this is how we're getting there.
Today we have a project and we create a design and we create plan sheets. And these plan sheets have all of the details that everyone on the project will need to do their job.
Some of these guys that have been around for 15, 20 years, they know where everything is in a paper set of plans. And this is all new to them.
This is hard technology for somebody that's been in the business a long time. I mean, I've been working here at UDOT for 21 years, and for 20 of those years it was straight paper. Well, maybe not 20, but 18 of them. We're not just changing one portion of how we deliver a project, we're changing the entire way we deliver projects.
Contractor, we give them a plan set. Once they won the bid, they called and asked for all the files, and then they turned and made their own model. Well, so now we're working off the same model that they're building off of, instead of us having paper plan set and them building everything off of a model.
From a designer standpoint, you have to think through things in a lot more detail, which in my mind simplifies construction. Whenever you're designing with plan sheets, for example, when you're modeling, you will blow through an intersection and then you'll come back and put together a grading detail. You're trying to conceptualize it on a 2D piece of paper whenever you're doing this, whereas if you're actually modeling out that whole intersection, you can visualize it from a 3D standpoint as well. And so because the designer is putting more thought and effort into it, I think that it alleviates a lot of the errors or a lot of the intricacies that the contractor is used to field fitting. Digital delivery, because we're designing to a higher level of detail, is actually helping to create less change orders in the field, which ends up saving the public money.
Even though we are in the infancy stages, I think we're already very, very far in establishing a good process that will help us deliver projects more accurately, better designed, and honestly, more within budget.
We are absolutely still in the learning phase, and there are a lot of things we don't know that we don't know. There are a lot of things that we're figuring out every single day.
And I don't think there'll ever be a finish line, but I think the ultimate goal is to communicate a vision of what we want to build, and we're better able to do that now than we've ever been in the past.
This is a big priority. This is the future of the department. This is the future of project delivery. This is the future of how we do business.